Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that has been on everyone's mind recently: cryptocurrency trading. In this video, I'll be sharing some basic information on how to trade cryptocurrencies and some tips to get started.
What is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital currencies using various trading strategies to make a profit. The most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The market is highly volatile and prices can fluctuate rapidly, making it a high-risk, high-reward venture.
Step 1. Research and education. The first step to trading cryptocurrency is to conduct extensive research on the various cryptocurrencies and their performance. You can use websites like CoinMarketCap and CryptoCompare to monitor the market trends, track price movements, and access trading data. It's essential to have a basic understanding of blockchain technology, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, and how it works.
Step 2. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. The next step is to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. These are online platforms that allow users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Choose an exchange that offers low trading fees, high liquidity, and a user-friendly interface.
Step 3. Create an account and fund your wallet. Once you've chosen an exchange, create an account and fund your wallet with fiat currency. You can then use the funds to buy cryptocurrencies.
It's essential to note that some exchanges may require additional identity verification before allowing you to make deposits.
Step 4. Start trading. Once your account is set up and funded, you can start trading cryptocurrencies. The most common trading strategies include day trading, swing trading, and HODLing. HODLing refers to buying and holding cryptocurrencies for an extended period, hoping that their value will increase in the long run. Tips for trading cryptocurrency. Start with a small investment to minimize your risks and learn the ropes of trading. Diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies. Set stop-loss limits to minimize your losses and secure your profits. Keep up with the market trends and news to make informed decisions.
Conclusion: that's it for today's video on how to trade cryptocurrency. Remember, cryptocurrency trading can be risky, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can be a profitable venture. Take the time to research and educate yourself before diving into the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching.
Check out video description.